So welcome to the presentation Analogical Reasoning and Learning. Analogies are similarity or likeness between things otherwise different. Things which are similar in one respect tends to be similar in other respect. Analogies plays a dominant role in human reasoning and learning process. Previously remembered experiences are transformed and extended to fit new unfamiliar situations. The old experience provides scenarios or explanation which tend to match the new situation in some aspect and therefore offer promise of suggesting a new solution to the new situation. The old and new situation need not be in the same domain. Examples for analogical learning. The old experience or scenario may help to solve the problem in the new scenario. That's the basic working principle for analogical learning. So for example, if you having the knowledge of theory, understanding the theory of flow of water in pipes, the same theory and principles can be applied to understand the flow of electricity in a conducted wire. The same manner, if leaf is related to tree in some way, the same way flowers having petals. The same way the kid of dog is known as puppy, the same way kitten is for cat. So these are examples for analogical reasoning. As a series comes from the science, we having Kirchhoff's law, the flow of the pressure of flow in one tube and another tube. When these tubes are combined, what's the pressure there? It's the sum of L1 plus L2. So the same principle we can use for identifying hydraulics problems also. So this one is an example for analogical learning. An analogical learning process consists of 5 steps: analogical recognition, access and recall, selection and mapping, extending the mapping experience, and validation and generalization. So the first one is analogical recognition. A new problem or situation is encountered and recognized as being similar to the previously encountered situation. Second one is access and recall. The similarity of the new problem to the previous experienced one serves as an index with which to access and recall one more candidate experience. An appropriate similarity measures is used to ensure that only candidate analogies bearing a strong similarity with the new situations. The similarity measures like cosine measures, Jaccard coefficient, etc. are used for this purpose. The third step is selection and mapping. This is the most important step in the analogical learning process. The relevant parts of the recalled experience are selected for their similarity and mapped from the base to the target domain. The mapping should be able to transform objects, attributes and predicates to corresponding one which best meets the requirement of the targeted domain. The transformation process should be dynamically adaptable to map between the different domains and different levels of abstraction. Then the fourth step is extending the mapped experience. A newly mapped analogies are modified and extended to fit the target domain suitably. Last one is validation and generalization. The newly formulated solution is validated and for its applicable through some form of trial process. The validation is support and generalized solution is formed which account for both the old and new situations. So here is an example for analogical reasoning. Find the area of the land. So from the diagram we can see that that's the shape of the land and we need to find out the area of that land. So we can similarity between the what are the previous experience we having is that during the school days we have studied about the areas of different shapes. So we can use the same concept for solving the problem. So we studied about the triangle, rectangle, trapezium, etc. there and its corresponding equations to find out the area there. So we can divide the land area into different shapes there and we can relate each of these shapes with the corresponding picture in the image and we can find out the area there, and after that finding out each individual portion's area we can sum up to find out the entire area of the land. And this one is an example for analogical. Thank you.